Hello viewers, I am Maithili. Today we are going to see 11 Cbse Maths straight lines miscellaneous exercise question number 1. Let's see the question. Find the values of k for which the line k minus 3 into x minus of 4 minus k square into y plus k square minus 7k plus 6 is equal to 0. Here they have given 3 conditions to find the k. The first one is parallel to x-axis. For parallel to x-axis, if this is the x-axis, if we take this line parallel to x-axis, remember that the slope will be equal to 0 if it is parallel to x-axis, because a slope is a slanting line according to the horizontal. How much it is slanted to the horizontal is called the slope. So here there is no, it doesn't touch the horizontal, so there is no slope. Slope is equal to 0. So we know that in a line parallel to x-axis, so it should touch the horizontal to find the slope. Here it does not touch the horizontal line, that is the x-axis, so your slope will be equal to 0. If slope is equal to 0, we can directly substitute the value, that is slope value here is, for equation, minus a by b. As I told before, for equation the slope will be minus a by b. This is equal to 0. Here minus of k minus 3 by minus of 4 minus k square is equal to 0. Here minus minus get cancelled. If this goes to this side, this is equal to 0. So k minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore k will be equal to 3. If 3 goes to this side, it goes as a positive. So value of k is equal to 0 for the first one. For the second one, here they have given parallel to y-axis. For parallel to y-axis, here if I take this will be 90 degree to the base. So here if I take this equation, here it is 90 degree to the base, 90 degree to the horizontal line. If I draw a line horizontal, it is 90 degree to the horizontal. That means slope will be equal to, we know that tan 90, m is equal to tan 90, m is equal to tan 90 is nothing but m is equal to not defined. So tan 90 is not defined. Not defined means we can write this to be 1 by 0. So instead of infinite not defined, we can write that to be 1 by 0. So we can directly substitute the formula minus a by b now. Minus a by b already we have written. This is the minus a by b, which is k minus 3 by 4 minus k square equal to your slope, that is 1 by 0. If I cross multiply, here it becomes 0. This is equal to 4 minus k square is equal to, if I multiply with 1, this will be equal to 0. Minus k square equal to minus 4. Minus minus get cancelled. K is equal to plus or minus 2. So it goes as a root. Root 4 is nothing but plus or minus 2. So k value for the second one is plus or minus 2. Now for the third one, they have given passing through the origin. Passing through the origin. Passing through the origin means passing through 0, 0. Any line equation passing through 0, 0, we can directly substitute the value of 0, 0 to it. Here the given equation is k minus 3 into x minus 4 into, minus of 4 into minus k square y plus k square minus 7k plus 6 is equal to 0. We know that substituting the x value and the y value as 0 and 0, this totally becomes 0. Now k square minus 7k plus 6 is equal to 0. We can do splitting the middle term to find the k because it is in a quadratic form. So 6 ones are to get minus 7 minus minus. Directly we can write k before it. So k minus 6 and k minus 1 is equal to 0. Writing equal to 0 separately, we get k is equal to 6 and k is equal to 1. So this is your final answer for the sum. That's all with the sum. Thank you.